How to turn off the Face ID on iPhone and require passcode to unlock the app. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to turn off your Face ID, here is what you should do. So without any ado, let's get started. So first and foremost, head over to your settings. Once you are on your setting page, scroll down and find the option of Face ID and Passcode. This will ask you to enter your passcode. Once that is done, make sure to turn off iPhone on lock. You can also tap or toggle off the option for those in which you don't want your Face ID. So this is one way by which you can remove the Face ID and use passcode to unlock any application or iPhone itself. Likewise, the second option is temporarily disable Face ID. For this, you have to press and hold the side button plus volume up or down until the power off appears. Then tap on cancel and Face ID is disabled until you enter your code. For the third option, you can just remove the Face ID completely. Head over to Face ID and Passcode again and tap on Reset Face ID. This will entirely remove the Face ID data and your iPhone will only use a passcode. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.